Welcome to Fit Minute. Today, we're going through a simple 30-minute full-body workout designed especially for beginners. You don't need any equipment, and you can do every exercise from the comfort of your home. This routine helps improve strength, increase energy, and build a healthy exercise habit. Remember to move at your own pace, drink water when needed, and stop if you feel pain. Let's get started. Warm up. Before exercising, warming up prepares your muscles and joints. March in place for 30 seconds. Roll your shoulders forward and backward. Swing your arms gently. Rotate your hips. Perform slow knee lifts. Finish with gentle ankle circles. Take deep breaths throughout the warm-up. Exercise 1. Bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Push your hips back as if sitting in a chair. Lower yourself comfortably, then stand back up. Perform 12 repetitions. Squats strengthen your legs, hips, and core while improving balance. Exercise 2. Wall push-ups. Stand facing a wall. Place your hands on the wall at shoulder height. Slowly bend your elbows, bringing your chest toward the wall, then push back. Perform 12 repetitions. This beginner-friendly movement strengthens your chest, shoulders, and arms. Exercise 3. Reverse lunges. Step 1 foot backward. Lower both knees slightly, then return to standing. Alternate legs. Perform 10 repetitions per leg. Reverse lunges improve lower body strength and stability. Exercise 4. Glute bridge. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Pause briefly before lowering. Perform 15 repetitions. This exercise strengthens your glutes, lower back, and hamstrings. Exercise 5. Bird dog. Start on your hands and knees. Extend your right arm and left leg. Hold for 2 seconds, then return. Switch sides. Perform 10 repetitions per side. Bird dog improves balance, posture, and core strength. Exercise 6. Standing knee raises. Stand tall. Lift one knee toward your chest. Lower it slowly and switch sides. Continue for 60 seconds. This movement strengthens your core while gently raising your heart rate. Great job completing today's beginner full body workout. See you in the next video.